To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, this by the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her, Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she could call. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels it? She's for the street.
Facebook, sir.
No.
No, man. Something much stronger than man. I'll do with that.
What making up for me now? No.
You know what I do? I want to piece of food with the try and puzzle up. Come and say back and get some problem, you know. And you know, if I go pay the money for yesterday, so right now it's all up on my mind, it's going to be forward, you know. So that's that me there wait for Billy. You know. Judge, you know.
You go look for your car, you just done cooking food and me I say, well, you don't come in. So I mind some if you walk come out now. I'm just see a lean back. So I'm not even bother say babes are not, you know, but here I go on.
In the car.
My youth.
Hungry talking and system.
My youth. If you stop ride the bike, so you know.
Hey, talk boy.
You don't ride the bike too reckless. You move careless from what you want to sit down with you and hold one good conversation with you.
About that, man.
You think me don't hear how you have a woman on the bike a haul him a good understand a haul him a come back and the woman a holla. Eh? Where you wheelie bike with the passenger them for? No work you work
no,
me.
everything under control, man. I tell you, I never wheelie with nobody, but now everything under control, man.
No, you
God,
can't tell me.
Do, you know, man.
You can't tell me that because I catch a red-handed. One of the time I see the pass with one passenger, this local boy, I don't know where him come from. And you see him 2 foot them up in the air and one of them hand them so.
You have to worry yourself, boy. I see it you just know say I worry, but not do me. I say I never, I'll ride bike and I never drop off a bike and chip up myself. One time I drop in, I'm a virgin, can go chip me up and I never make a man come up and bike fast again. You don't have to worry yourself, man.
Baby, I have to worry myself because here I go on. If I lose now, what me I gonna do?
I'm not cut it, but where say it cook? Where say it cook? Where say it cook?
Where do you want to eat?
Say ask, yeah.
Yeah, and rice and peas. What do you say you want?
The thing I may tell about you know, daddy. The time man come around and daddy, me don't want to move, you know, you. That's why I see me out as a child. Do that little thing, you know. So I tell you, say, yeah, my sister, I'm not come for food, and because next thing, man go mash at the food, and I know say you go to Bernal too bad juice down that thing, you know, say, you know, a problem that all cause, you know, daddy. So, and then me and man know a problem for you, money, such, you know. Just give me a little time, I go sort out the man piece of cheese, I'm going to go and check you. Me even take 45 minutes.
Well, I'll be where the chef said to me, so what make you can't go and eat the food now? Get to the point. Why you afraid to go and eat the food?
If me come now, look you look sexy in idea. Yeah, man, tell you, I'm going to strong up myself and I'm not come back out tonight. So, I have to bring him money go give him now.
No, I'm not wrong with that, B.
No, I'm not saying nothing
What
wrong.
is woman for?
Oh, God,
Eh?
it's the same thing.
You're not fi camp?
Jaja, you.
Let me be at peace. Service me and make me be at peace.
It's the same thing I'm going to tell about. You mess man. We'll go start talking man money.
Alright, just alright. Go and go do what you do.
I'm going to check it. Then,
yeah.
Just after people come now, you know.
The food well hard, B. Go and go do what you do.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright, come in.
I thought you look good.
Thanks. You look good too.
Thank you.
That's right. So,
Come sit down over here,
I
cause
have to do.
long time I not see a girl.
Like a fine man.
I wish me did find man like I am my love. But guess what? Me still depend on hustling. I don't find a man. So how life I treat you and all these things?
You don't see.
Yeah, me see it.
I want look two look Paul me put on a show.
Yeah, me see it, me love. But me miss you upon the work still, you know. Not another lie, me miss you.
Boy. Nobody get back there. Me sometimes I miss work, you know. But at the end of the day, you have to just know, say, that's how life go. Me settle down you know. So it is what it is. I understand?
Me understand.
Yeah.
I just have to do what you have to do in this time.
So tell me something.
Yeah.
What go on over there? What go on over your workplace?
Well, same usual. Nothing not change. Everything I see. I understand, but we just have to put in the work if you can make money if you go on the level I want to go on right now. You understand?
Okay. I see. Well, I just see me there right now. Me and my man, you know, we come together and we try to do little things, little business, you understand? So we can cope with. So,
A good
that
thing
the work they were me left, I'm not going to say, I regret it, but right now what me I do is a blessing, you understand? Yeah, in a real life. Because I have to hackle up my body again and then something there, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
But
I
you see,
understand.
so you see, I don't judge you, you know. Me
No, you could never judge me, because I same place you come from.
Exactly, friend. But that's how you
Yeah.
are. Walk up for your body and up and down. I don't have to do it again.
No,
You get what
Pinky
me I
man.
say?
No, Pinky man, no, sir.
Eh?
No, say it like that.
No,
say it like
me
that.
not say no way, my friend. Me just say how you are hackle up your body now. Them the days they done for me. Me not hackle up my body again. You understand? Me just relax, live in the moment, as some stay now.
Just make sure I say, nothing go wrong in a fair relationship, you know. I know say, you good as I'll miss then 20,000, then $30,000 that we used to make a night time. You know, remember then time they used to, you get their money there?
Girl, relax. You know see how me look?
You look good, but let me tell you something.
That
Looks
means
are
that me a
deceiving.
whole money, girl. Me a whole money. And right now, me happy, girl. I can see happiness for me, a happy life, me say. You know see it for me?
Me see
Me
it
a
for you.
glow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I say looks are deceiving, girl, and I like say, me a show like me happy and behind everything, me not happy. Me happy, girl. Me happy. Me can't tell when last me screw.
I lie.
Be a smile, me a smile, girl. This someone I just make butterfly just a come down. But
Oh,
I when I
God.
them friends at home, me not see you. Me feel like one of them take your and see there and me lash a come off, girl.
No, son, nobody not take me there.
Me
still
feel like
at
one of
work.
the top man named find you in the club and take you and gone with you to home. Me not see you. See, God is good. Me come buck up in you.
Girl.
See it?
Well, no, that man now come to the like one time when they used to come often, you know. I just say go. Probably
Well-
through a new year.
Well, girl, hurry up and find one top man. Hurry up and find one. Because they have one saying, say, you see the SEX there with different type of man. Then dirty spirit rub off on you. And me no want go that way. Me no want go that way because me no want no dirty spirit rub off on me. So you want go on now, hurry up
Thank you.
and find a top man.
Pinky.
Eh?
I feel like I feel bad in myself.
No, how dear me, I
Let
wouldn't
me
do
ask you
that.
one question. So dirty spirit no rub off in you too.
No, listen.
You remember so I see
But
work I used to
then-
do, you know.
But then, and when me go down at that place, cool place there, and me get my little Florida water, me get it and me read a Psalms and me wash off from head to toe. No more spirit no dey for me. So, my friend, me
Alright, later, yeah. Come here figure out work.
yeah man, later, me I go and sit down and say, here.
Alright, later.
Right. Why is me I tell you, the SEX no good. Cause see, it look like you just rub down for you to like a SEX. Boy,
Yes, man, hard that work, man. Say, go on there now. Okay, say. Ready for me now?
In real life, though, I want to see how long a New Year's, you know, man, a new money, you know. Everything raised right now, you know, China, man.
So you mean any reason about that, daddy?
No, we not hear enough reason about that. You know, sister, I know you can't get a bike because China, man, more buy
So
some
come like
things.
some
Right?
extortion
No,
thing.
no.
Badman, I see you need a friend then, Badman. How can I style them, my dog?
You can't tell me about deal with friend. You know, you me tell you, say, and money me want, money, and New Year's now, you can't get it back with watcha. Watcha. You know, get this still, me get piece of food now, me hand, you know.
So I know say no wise. Make us something, buy taxi me run. Say if I want the money. If me not get the bike free on bike taxi, you go get the money.
Right now, between me and
Yeah, slow down your one and sell
no,
a few.
listen, right now, between me and my business, you know, my friend. Watcha, this, watcha. Everything you say, I go through one and ears, I come through one. This attack right now.
That me must say that. Me must say
Listen,
miss dog. Me say from school days now dog.
Bad man, you tell you say
Dog.
now and get him. Me no business, bad man. I no care what you want to say if me corrupt or me this.
Say
now.
for
Even
New
though
Year,
I
me
know
for
you-
broke for New Year then.
Me no business what you want to do, you know, my friend. As long as I carry money, come give me, you know, me no business what you want
I
to do.
have
You
upon
know,
that
it's a
farm
hard
against me in
hard
New
work,
Year.
no.
Yeah.
China man, it makes sense to go on, no, cause you know, tell me nothing more here, you know.
Are we a dig fan of bag?
Go on,
Yo,
man.
carefully I did
Go on, man. Go on. Yo, you come see me for my work. Go on, man.
Bad man, just make sure me get back later. Yeah.
Yeah, money. Yeah, money.
Bad man, you may tell
Make sure
me.
you fall
Bad
back
man,
like
come
you
back
have
from
money.
back. Make sure I'm back ready. You
You
may
have to
tell.
come back with money.
See like
Come
me
back
now,
with
long
money.
chatting
Right
about
now,
new
money,
price
right now,
New
New
Year.
Year's money talk.
Bad man.
If I just talk, you know, come in with that more talk, you know, upon that.
Yo,
Money,
yo,
money,
first
money,
time I'm
money,
start.
talk, money,
Because my
talk,
things
money.
going again and tell me about no New Year price.
All right, go on. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. People are waiting
See all
for me.
the teeth in boy. See all you. You want to say nothing, man.
You're sick, man. Go on, man. You're sick like the rest of people not coming. I feel like say this and no.
Go and mumble, man. Go and mumble to
Charity
yourself,
business.
man.
I feel like a charity this. Go on, man.
Go and
I
mumble
feel
to
like
yourself,
any money
man.
come on,
You're a fool or road,
Do
man.
that thing, man.
Make sure my thing ready, boy.
Brandy. Here person. I'm not know if I hear something again.
Yes, you know.
Come here, say now. How you do?
Where me yard?
I do what?
What you mean I do what? Where me yard? Just where me yard.
Anyways, why you not come around? You're there home doing what? Waste your time?
What you mean why me not come around? You don't know what I'm going already.
Other side not come around? Girl, me talk to the girl already. And me talk to Bossy. And you're going like say, it's your fault in your old situation. It's not your fault. You need to come and work.
Then I'm not come back this.
Why you not
Can
come
you
back?
see? With them pound girl there, me and them not go work. I'm not coming back. They let me eye to that. My eyes are completely shut.
Brandy, you need to calm down yourself. Hey, remember so this is a familiar secret, you know. Mommy don't know about this, you know. And I like say, yeah, get money from nobody else. And I like say, mommy I give you money. She not give you money and this is all the way you make money. And this is all the way you can earn. Then my clothes that we have them, who buy it? You buy, you don't feel good in yourself, you know, say you buy yourself something. And then again, you see, when you come back to work, you see, look at the people, young boy them, you know why you don't work with them. Because guess what? You see them all go come, buy, and then go road go talk about it. And then next thing you can reach back a mommy ears. So you have to know what you do. You have to pick it all the man them and do what you do. You understand what I'm saying?
Completely understand.
Make sure you come and work tomorrow. Remember, say you're my sister, you know. I'm feel comfortable working with you, you know. You know, feel comfortable work with them, girl, then I cannot trust them. I trust you because you're blood. I'm not say them are water. You understand that?
I think so.
So what you say?
When you think about it, I get back to you.
Mm-mm.
So
Yeah,
we can't
come
think
and
about
work.
it.
No, as a matter of fact, we are gonna work tonight. Tonight we are gonna work. I must say a secret between me and you.
Hold on. You know if you have clothes here, we come and work.
You have
Tonight.
clothes. No. You have clothes. Me
How
have
you
clothes.
know that?
How you know that? And then again, remember say you owe me look of money, so I'm gonna want it back.
Okay. So I'm not really this sister love, sister band, sister something you come about. I told me who are you?
No,
The
girl.
little money. Anyways, that's a party. Now I'll give back your money.
No, but you owe me money. You know, expect you to pay me back my money.
First of all, not to pay back, but you're my sister.
And
You're
so,
supposed to give it. Me not run me now.
me know say you not run that time. Why you go and go work and make back the money and give me from look because you borrow. A long time, I owe me a long time. Me have bills for deal with, me have things to do. Okay. No, say I'm a sister love. Anyway, I go check one look piece of man up there so because every time he come, he just a trust so like he name this a trust and all in God we trust. You understand?
I know the fake rasta yet. I know the fake rasta yet.
Him said that with a little sweet mouth. And me ever fall for him mouth, you know, or him mouth sweet. Me not make it fall. Me not fall for it this evening. I want my money. Me need my money.
You don't know what? Are you teach me now? You know, so before you get where you're supposed to put it out your hand. You never hear some money in your hand.
Nobody sing. Alright.
Alright, later. Me see you later.
Can't get to the girl after our day, you know. Jaja. Yeah, man, sometimes, you know, man. Girl, you know, answer phone, man. Wonder if I can get to a boy white from an idea. Because this a girl that come like a joker, you know. White room. We say white room not near you. So, how you do the phone? In left it. And there for room in dancing. You know see Marika. We spot her one time. We spot her see she at. How is usually go? Yo, when I see white rum, tell him to give me back a shot, man. And tell him say, yo, tell him some more see him, cause me not like what go on for real, you know. Yeah, man, tell white rum some more see him. Yeah. Alright. No, man. You know, say I don't no, I mean, I go down a workshop. They are good on my workshop, but me I call America and couldn't get to her, so right now my mind change, you know. No man, me I go look if me see around that round. Yeah. Alright. Yes it. Yeah man, around them I go check. Alright. Bless up. Respect. Go on. See your face look so.
Oh,
I call her from yesterday. And can't get to you.
my phone dead.
Your phone dead. So long. Maybe as me realize say be a switch for me, you know. Be a switch for me like cause me I call her from yesterday, me I look out for think you there come and check me. And no me can't see it. Me never come up here and say you there and one bag of something. Then you come tell me say your battery dead. No sir.
Battery dead.
You tell me a thing what do you know and I hit me at work with you and you come like say yo tell me you want for us and something. I know you come like you not work with fear part of your bag and you come like say yo you just full up my head with beer things just to grow me. So
I
I
done
go.
that now.
Huh?
I done that now.
Yeah, so if me done talk right now,
Listen
amount of
to
things
me.
me upon my head to tell us right now. Cause you not go and good enough for real now.
Listen to me. First and foremost, me in a relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you can't come and give me now? Me know say I can't nothing from you now. And yeah, me you depend a bargain, yes. But you work towards it? No. And me have to hustle my local money said way. Remember saying no, most time and me I provide and you are the man. So you see, you look a bargain thing with the pan, you have to go put it aside, or else you have to go on.
Jaja, you talk like say me nah do. You talk like me nah do nothing. The amount of times me in a rain, watch alcohol me catching it through me in a rain, I fix bike, injure my finger them more while. Just because more you happy. Not true, me can't make it bigger than how me I make it now. Me have to wait. Me can't, you know, me have to wait.
I understand all of that. But remember, say me wanna love my lobster, my fish, and then look at something there. You understand? I me like go out. You ever there work, and it, sometimes me I make more money than you. Not sometimes, most of the time I make more money than you. So what you say?
Remember the first time we meet, I'm just get my partner job. I'm done everything for you. I'm tell you, my members, I'm going to make you know, you know, say, every day me I go have money like this, you know. Because you see, true, me want the best for you, same way, me done money for you. And here we are, son, now. You talk.
How me son?
You sound ungrateful.
No, I'm not ungrateful.
How?
Suffering days done. And you see, if you can't put what I want to the table, this don't make no sense. You understand? I'm not ungrateful. Me grateful because remember, say, if me never grateful enough, I can go hotel with me other than me I go hotel. I go all like big place and me I go. I can remember say I spend dollar per me then time there no, and my money alone spend. So talk to me nice. Oh, me ungrateful.
What you know?
So talk up to me nice.
So yet there. So you plan to sell a body for the rest of your life? Eh? Why?
Let me ask some question. At this I come here for this?
No, not this. I come here for this, but remember, you know, me be a thief and gunman and I change my life just because I want to do something constructive just because I want to change my life to make money. But we not have to go thief and we not have to do this to make money. But you know, you come like say you have one degree for sell. I mean, I understand. Right. I don't understand. You have to do better, you know, because I change my life. You must can do it. I'm true when I talk the truth now. You know, like hear that. You come like say a bunny bun, everything in your heart. I mean, like that, you know.
Let me ask you one question.
Well, ask me a question.
You want me to sit down in the house, right? And look on each other.
Never tell her that. Me never tell her that. Me never tell her that. But you can look better work then. Because while me see her go out in me and I hug you up and I say, babes, enjoy your day at work. You know how that feel in my heart. You know me feel. And I can't do nothing about it because I know say yes. How you do for your living? Oi, right now, you just, boy, I don't even know what to say.
You just what? You enjoy money though?
No get me wrong. No get me wrong, me enjoy the moment at the time. But now when me met Zia and sit down to myself and me say, boy, me fool, you see. Me is a one of the foolish man then, but me can't do nothing, me can't do nothing. Me can't do nothing, me have to just accept it because what? I saw me know you, I saw me be meet you.
Alright, guess what? Me have somewhere to go because I have some business to deal with and you waste my time right now. Later me talk to you. I can't talk to you right now.
Man, alright. Alright, big up yourself then.
Yeah.
Can't talk to me. See, say you get hype from what you know. But go on with the hypeness same way. You go on. Take shots, man.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology.
Yeah, man, things, yeah.
Yeah, free
Things, yeah,
from
Hey, we gotta come back though. Come
Yeah,
on,
hey,
Castle.
by the spirit.
Alright, so, just give me a few. Ah, Jesus.
She's happy. Someday she's sad.
So, alright, cool.
How much money me come from? Want my money? Me no want you talk. No tell me if you no shh.
Come on,
Me no want you talk because your mouth too sweet. So me not hear nothing. Just give me my money. Give me my money.
Come reason me,
Me no
man.
want
Come
re-
here, come reason me, talk to me. I'm to you, man.
No man.
Watch your bag drop out of my hand.
Give me
Eh?
your
Who
money.
listen, we talk to man. Come here, we talk to you, man. You remember say we make enough arrangement, enough agreement. You look tense, man. Just relax yourself, man. Eh? Rasta is the only way, you know that already, you know.
Yeah, me
You come
know.
reason about certain things, I mean you talk and we emphasize. Just nobody embarrass me like that.
No, me not
I know
embarrassed.
so you grow up, man. Remember say you're a Christian.
No, me not Christian.
No, man, you
Who
can't.
tell us I'm a Christian? Who tell her that?
I can't move, so. I can't talk the way you like saying, understanding the situation.
Come on, just give me
All right,
money.
here, I have money for you.
Yeah,
How much you want to see again?
$40,000.
40,000?
Yes.
I have 44,000. Come feed.
No.
Come for the
No,
money,
you
you know.
have to be
When the money say what, man? Come for the money, man, and stop smiling. Eh? Look how you look good and nice. Eh? I want to take you off the road, you know. But you don't want to come off the road. Eh?
Yeah, give me money for sure.
Come me, I give money for you. Come on. I like how your energy change and all and thing. You know what I say? I best way that, you know, sometimes you feel wear the tongue and understand powers. The powers, you know. You see what I say? How you feel now?
I feel alright.
You feel much better?
Yeah, I feel much better because I can understand you talk to me a bit more, understand. Yes, I feel better. I like how you sort me out, you know?
You know that I think, mama. Because you forget where we are come from, you know. So if you forget where you come from, you're going to always lose focus. You understand me, I say? Rasta is the only way, man. Right?
Right.
Look at your face cheer up and nice and happy and smile and think we are some kind of root up still. We never really want to feel, you know what I mean?
That's where I go. When I go, I fix it back.
Alright, I'm on them. Me will start you, man. Later on, come down test me, I get a little partner down later.
Also, when you come back later.
No, I come check it on the club, man. You're down at the club later, right?
Yeah, we go then I come.
And tell me something, talk to your sister, cause me hear you sitting going to your sister, you know. I'm not like what I'm going. I mean, hear it really, I say to myself, say them things they don't sound good, don't feel good.
Listen, I don't want to talk about my sister. Me angle my sister. I don't nobody angle her for me, understand?
Don't have to calm down, yeah? Keep it cool, yeah? That's how things set.
Nobody root up me.
Hug me up, if you hug me up.
Alright, later.
So later, I'm catch you at the club, yeah?
Alright.
Just make sure say if ropes on me first, yeah?
Aye.
Yeah, just back for business.
Father,
She's
blessed me killer,
for
General,
the streets,
Heart of love here.
just
What, bro?
living life with
Oh, you going on, Father?
Why pray my father, man?
Then me there no teacher, you know, say, are you me there upon the road, I say, I look at things we can come gear door.
God know me general.
You know, say, it kind of overdue still on my father, you know.
Yeah, in a real life, you know. Are you
So
me
go
come
on.
get a link still in a new year or still, you know?
Say, pray, how go on?
No disrespect, you know, I don't really know how to say this, you know, but.
So yeah, say.
Because me I want good youth, you know. But you know, sometime in a life, like, some good youth help some youth to then things are good youth. But the good youth never know, so the good youth where they help and one good youth.
So wait, what you say?
Alright, hear me say, no, because I come like a rain and I come really and true, like the bike, me come back 5 still, you know. Me come to
John
take the
know.
bike still, you know.
John, no teacher.
Yeah, bro, because you know, so no
I
disrespect.
have $1 in my pocket for that. Daddy continue give me till that me can't come here then. Matter of fact, if you don't want to give me till 10, give me 2 more hours for my father. Baby,
You know, sir, no disrespect. The only time I could have give you right now 5 seconds for you come off and turn up on your 2 foot them and go and work on your 2 foot them.
Some big disrespecting that, daddy.
Bro, I can't believe so you deal with people, boy.
You know, take your things, man.
Every bike you ride, you mash up your bro.
Take your things, man. I saw no go on, man. Like you know, I help you. So now hold down you. Go on with the things, man.
I'm telling you something,
Yeah, man.
And that's why a man like me if you don't help youth like you.
Oh.
You don't want nothing out of life.
Man.
Go man mash up my bike.
Hold down you, man.
Eh?
Go on.
Put it. My bike even can't start because you mash up it. You know, me push it on me hard, yeah, man.
So now hold down, man. Go on like you know help you. I mean, I'll call this again, I get you. Yo. I'll answer for him phone to you. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, man, I want to talk to you, man, because serious thing are going on. Because be a thing are going on in my life, my friend. I wonder if you cause this, you know. If you come and be a problem, yeah, you know, miss me a foul. If you come like you and hot up me head, more to you.
So all day sit me and slackness. I slackness, you know, because you call me, say you want to do business. I arrange for $10,000 and this man can give me $9,000. I won't take me far. That's why I'm not like come here, you know. Because every time I come here, I this thing though. You ain't no saying buy one gas for a man. $9,000. Wait. I see how they look at the rest of my watch. Voicemail. All right. Monique. Yeah, what? Oh, somebody there. Me alright, man. Me just a call. No, man. Me one more ask you. You see, you're the Rasta man. You're the music in a business. Yeah, man. I just I something more I care about working. Yeah, man. Me did borrow it from him yesterday, but guess what? Me can't get to him. But in this I want it back today, and I have to get it back today. So what I want to know is, you know which part you live? Oh, that's all. No, man, no, you're mad. I must say, no, man, I'm not no business. I just something want about the game. Alright, thanks. So, yeah, man, big up yourself. Yeah. I don't know if you love people business too much. Just wake up, so.
Me just wait. Are you gonna wait me?
Me wake up.
Me tired, man.
Anyway, I'm gonna say I come last night.
Me there. Me say me up. I say right then. Me go take a 5. Right, it be 5 turn in a 1 hour. And me wake up, it done gone, but already me just finish sleep. couldn't make it last night, but he tired, man. I see them is still tired.
You know, say, you're joke though.
Oh, yeah, me, then if me...
You're joke. You know what I'm saying? We make 40. We make 49,000 from the Rasta man. We make 40 from the Rasta man. And we make no. We say 49 no. We make 10,000. From you remember a big bald man we always go like he have money and something. Him was say money.
That full moon head man there.
Yeah, him said I make $10,000 from him. I make 40,000 from the Rasta. So you know so that $50,000 I make. I mean also right now you're broke and paparazzi and no money. So if I like you come my club, I'm going to go hustle some money because I guess so. And you're all the person I have to talk to. No, nobody else to talk to.
You know what I say? Me I want never be tired or my brain tired. Cause you tell me something man. You stutter around 2 times. Me know me not sleep. You sure I saw you go how you say it? How you go? Cause first you say 49, then you stutter upon that. You change it from 49 to 10, then you change it from 10 to 50.
You know, so I kind of love people business too much.
You are going to tell me your business.
Listen. We need to go a club if we go make some money. So, up at the club, me I go now. So you need to go get your clothes, change off, because we need to go for a club. You understand me? And wash off your face, because you look like you just wake up.
Let me just tell you, me just wake.
Go on now. Yeah, take too long.
I lie. But you not even right now. Me not even really want to go in.
Alright, I'm going to throw some water in your bed around there. Alright.
I lie.
So go on now, go and feel
never
clothes.
tell us that me can't swim.
Go and feel clothes.
Yeah, I can't bother with you.
You have choice? I'm going to say bro.
What you not saying?
Girl, look, fine as usual. Where you going with?
Nothing.
So I like my calling cap on one thing though, God know. Be a little drama youth. You wanna say man see me down the road while I go and take me off my bike. Man I can't take him bike from my daddy. Take me off my bike, brawling. I tell you about man, be a style thing, man, I load me up. I have to make you know see a whole in things, man, I dashing keep on it. Because you know, I don't take no violation. You see style? Believe, but then me there say I call him if you swear upon, you know?
So you take up big boss, dashing keep on him. Because you not take no violation. So what we are going to do now?
But the man tell me say you want him back come for do.
May I ask you one question? What we are going to do now? Eh?
But I tell you, say, I tell the man say give me till today. Give me tell me because I tell man say give me an hour. The man no busy. But you know, I have to find a way, you know. But I have to make you know why style and walk and just give me like a time for it. I say you want a piece of food and be.
Time.
Remember going to Princess say you want a piece of food and you don't know say
Time.
you want to get that, you know.
Time. Look, no want you touch me today.
You can't touch her?
No, not touch me today. I'm in a mood. Time.
Really
time wait for no man. Listen, time wait for no man. You know say, come to think of it. You know say it's a good thing. Me see the girl over there. And me and her reason do.
Which girl?
God, you say you're good.
Which
you're
girl?
Good enough. Huh?
Which girl?
My friend, me and her used to work in the club. And me and her are reason. You know say come to think about it. Go say same thing again. Me know what me I do. Me know what me I go do.
Where you do?
Me know what me I go do. What I mean by what I go do? Me I go back for the work because me can't live so.
Come
me
like
can't go live so.
Man.
Huh?
Say come like a planting. A planting that means if me a thing then work out, then done plans if I go take on road and some style. So that means you don't really rate me then. Me just convenient.
Oh, rate come in and convenient.
No, but you tell me say you know we are going to tell us give me like a time. I go do the
me
thing.
Cannot give you no time because me can't sit down so. So me don't know where you come to me and come tell me about time. Time wait for no man. You hear me I tell you? So me I go just go back for the work and go and ease myself.
Are you name time?
Huh?
Are you name time? You tell me say time wait and no man. Me not talk about time. Me talk about you. I'm in a relationship with my friend.
So, me ask you
We
one
go on
question.
with, but EMS still. Since I say Ray, I'm a man have a pre-life. Then, if I see you go do so then, you should tell me say you only canny man then. Nobody needs to touch you. You have to just keep it on the level so then. No man touch you then. Yeah.
No. What you trying to say?
Me tell you if you
Give me
know
the
what you
cigarette
do.
because right now, me no smoke. Me see me stop smoke,
Yeah,
but me
man,
have to
smoke.
light up
Yeah,
back
man,
this.
smoke and calm me
What
nerves,
you mean
man.
by
Me tell you if you careful what you do.
careful what me I do? What you
Yeah,
mean?
me
No.
woman, you have to know what you're doing.
Yes, so me I go back on the work, but get to the point. What me fi know what me I do it? Huh?
You're going to cannot understand him, bro. So sometimes you're going to cannot understand
I
him.
hope say you not think what me I think, you know. I hope say
What you think?
when me go back at the club there, I no come watch me in a dirty junk crowd.
What?
Me say, hope say when me go up at the club, they go back and start work.
So why if me come watch you? You feel me woman, you know? I feel me front here walk with you, know? So if me come watch you?
Well, and they,
Who if me come watch you?
so dirty
Me not come
dog.
watch you still. Me not come watch you still. But what if me come watch you? You can't stop me. I feel foot them.
Dirty dog. So you watch your pums now? You watch your pums?
I feel me pums that, so me have
So
all
you
like
want-
to watch it.
You want to stop my food?
Me not stop your food.
I want to stop my food.
Me not stop your food.
So if the people there see say, me man, come up there now. What you think gonna happen? Because everywhere me and you, what you think gonna happen? When the people there see you up there, Me telling you, since recently you staying weak and no lie. So if you feel like you're bad, put a foot up there so I can watch me pums. Because I must, I don't fear it.
My life is correct here. You talk about fear. I don't fear it anymore.
I don't fear.
I don't fear it anymore.
Me have it on my own.
Yes, calm down yourself, man.
Here, me know me I go there. You know what? Just excuse sign in front of me. Excuse her. Why you do in front of me?
Calm yourself about me emotion. You make be a nice one. Make be a lot of things people are yes me and things, brother. I'm here, brother. You're going to say, I can't love him.
I mean, don't touch me. You're workless like a dog. You're workless. That's why you're coming with rum and weed. You're workless, man. Man like you. You should have one of that job I do when you
yeah, the smoky crave near me come in the door. I walk this what you smoky crave near the door. Yeah, the smoky door. You didn't even say chance to get cream, I'm walk this.
Remember some spend for you know.
I never seen a spend.
So nothing wrong if me take one half a craving here from you.
Never seen a spend, girl, but you make it sound like something
no,
wrong
wrong
to drink
if
rum
me
and
take one
smoke.
half a craving
I stress,
here
me
from
stress
you.
out, because I tell me say what a thing, you know. And the man take a piece of bike from me, you know. I'm going to make him money. So I forgot to get a drink and smoke. Yeah, they see me and try to tell me say, you know. I know I don't like disappoint you, never disappoint me, you know. You dig me try to share? As I may tell us now, as a woman, just make it boy them know if you keep in distance. Me not see me come watch a thing. Just make know if you keep in distance. Social
Right now,
distance like corona time.
Anything you said to me right now, are pure rubbish. Right now, me need to touch your road. You and you're talking no make no sense right now. Cause me need to go find back myself on the job there right now. You see what you are coming with right now?
Or you lose yourself.
You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. Me I go show you how. And me did I run things up there so. And I go show you something. I'm gonna tell you something. Do not come up there come watch me. Me don't want. If me didn't want somebody to watch me, me would have breathed for a long time. I have one little jimble inside of me and watch me. Me don't want you watch me.
That means you don't plan to breathe for me.
Don't come up there come watch me. See a lucky door and go sleep.
Let me see how to make you a girl. Watch, watch. Watch. Straight at me again. But fearful. Don't make you mad. I can't start filming that now.
Guess you stop smoking. I want to go and know. I think your life changed, you turn Christian and all these things. So I want
Girl. Right now I'm stressed out. Stress kill me. Stress kill me.
like, me not
Let me get to the point.
Yeah, get to
Let me get to the point. Me want to come back from the work.
Eh? Yes, sir.
Girl, I'm here to talk to me. I want to come back from the work.
Which one I work? Security work or one? Kind of security work me do.
I want to come back from the spot. I need it as soon as possible. Tonight.
I think that they use a happy life. So I want to go and I think that that's a me and hackle up my body. So I want to come back and hackle up your body. Hmm? Let me ask you one question. Now you say you move on from the things that you have a man. Yeah, your man and work out things in a partner. You know, you just have to look asleep on the side. So why problem now?
Listen.
I just few days
Listen. Don't get pumped up on my nerves. Can you see right now I'm in the mood? You understand? Don't be the one that me take you out pan. You hear me I tell you? Because it look like you come to mock me or something. Our problem?
No, girl, I would never do that. But you see, you did that go on other day and I rub everything in my face and I go on with yourself. Me have to really understand if I joke. I'm probably a prank out when I look for the camera. I can't have a prank out. I joke about that. But
Marika, I don't know joke thing me dey pan. You see me a smile? You see me big teeth them? Listen. Here what happen now. Because I can't just tell you I want to come up on the job and I not tell you what go on.
yeah, can you have a reason?
You get what I say? Even though I know say me run things. You understand? Here what go on. A little dirty man make the people then take back the bike from him.
How comes?
What you mean how comes? Remember say I not feed him it. You forgot? Remember say everybody knows I not feed him. And he say when the man tell him say he come off of the bike, him catch a piece of hype now and throw the keep on the man. Tell me now, liberty come through carelessness. If somebody come to you and say they want the bike, it must be one reason why they say they want the bike. So you're not going to try to classify things.
Yeah.
You're going to take up big boss, throw back the keep on the man. How am I going to cope now? You see it, and the boy make me left me work. So how am I going to cope? See that now, I have 15,000 left in the pan. What am I going to do? And you see, the worst thing about it, you know, you see the bike when the man take away from him, I hit in the carry one piece of food come give me, you know. So tell me now, who the start Mr. Falla? Because I couldn't me. Are you mad?
My mom.
Are you mad? Make it sadness follow me.
Mad.
Because me I tell you say happy life and me I live good. And me I tell you a situation, you see him wanna smile and me see here them way you give me. That means you never happy for me, so you look a dirty goat mouth catch me.
Me never happy for you. I made it that good things. Boy, a relationship. I know me mouth. It just never feel work out. It just, and you did go back on the roadside because I guess so. Roadside did pick up your fam. So anyway, you take care of the dog go back.
Girl, let me tell you something, you know. I know me, nobody not pick you up from the roadside, I know, you know. So not because the little man pick me up from the roadside, you're bad mind and you're jealous, you say me you're a friend. You couldn't say, oh God, me feel a pain and coming back from the work. Yeah, where you go so now? The man pick me up from the roadside, so me not forget.
Listen, I could be in that situation that you're in now. Because guess what? Me have one piece of man who want me stop do that work then. And me tell him say me not talk with because feel look money when my carrying cannot help me because sometimes my money had we work. So understand? And you want to working up thinking nobody never stop you. And you stop for your own. You could have continued your work and still have a man.
Well, listen to me.
If he didn't love you enough, he still would keep you. Just like from one.
Well, listen to me. The street is calling me back, you know.
And you're going.
And me going back, you know. So
Okay,
here we go now. Call the boss and tell him say, may I come back on the work tonight.
Yeah, I'm call him now. I don't want him. I'm call him now. So you go up there? If he say yes?
Girl, I know my clothes are do it, you know. And my body is a charm. I'm going to show you how you do things.
Don't know, no. Hello. Boss, you are gone. Yeah, me alright. You know, so me have a little surprise for you, though. Your one time favorite says she want to come back. Yeah, boss. Should I write her so? No, she want to come back tonight. She want to start tonight. I feel your credit or my credit.
Give me the phone now, girl.
Hold on. Yeah. You want to talk to her? Aye.
Babe. Bossy. Yes. Glad to hear it too. Yes. Yeah, man. More. Come back from the work tonight. Oh yeah, so man, boss, me know say me your favorite. The best. Yeah, man. Oh God, boss, you're not supposed to ask me that. Me must have me tools them. Eh? Okay. Alright. Yeah. Later.
Alright, you credit her down.
You are going to Me go get myself ready for later.
Alright,
You
okay.
understand? I have to catch up here and do myself somewhere because boss tell me say a man them a ask him me there. So you are going now. You are going to you say you sit down. You have one guess.
Nobody not there. No one reach it. Oh, one girl.
Good doing now, like.
Always
Extra good tonight.
Where's your man?
So we are up tonight.
Of course, not work tonight, but not with you. What you do want to my sister and come to me?
Yeah. Woman, nobody taste time, man. How much I say? They double it. You know, say a 6,000 regular, but I don't give 12. Believe.
Are you hearing what's coming from my mouth?
Yeah. But I just foolish. I mean, man, if you hope, you not just tell me the fun.
Yeah, what, but me not work with you. You're there for you're not here. You just want to interrupt when me did that a while ago. You finished that?
You're mad. I'm seeing you look so good. How much money? They say I wine for the pole tonight. So right now, me have a couple dollars in my pocket or a couple blue boy and a couple orange boy too, you know. So still more about them, a couple of them there, you know, want to walk with me, you know, even though they're dead. Right now, me have them. What you say? I just you name a price. Anything you say, I hit to go with right now. Even though I tell you 12, me triple it then. But
You
tonight,
can't give me $1 million.
oh, yeah, come.
Alright then, go on. You don't make sense. Then.
Yeah, give me a number. Yeah.
Next! Which number? You know what? That's you know, you're not really here with me answer right now. You're not hearing nothing. Breathe, Millie!
Me no do
So
no
me don't get
business.
me can't go down so me can't shame myself.
No, sir.
Some man don't need to get shame if you don't understand no place.
Sir, woman, if I hear that, I don't like you. See, and your family, them, you know, hold on to one.
No, I'm just see what I'm saying. So you don't do that. Why not do it? Right.
Come in, man. A bossy.
Bossy.
I'm also.
Bossy.
You know, so me always happy to see you around, you know. So you're not afraid to approach me when you see me. You know.
No, me, honestly, bossy, me never see you. I truth me I tell.
Well,
See, me not even know say, I want to buy a new car.
well, I think, don't worry about that, man. I think you're up in your feelings, true. You go settle down with man, you feel like, say, nah, man, you're always welcome, you know.
Sister, watch that! Big beer! No, sir! Watch out! Not early, though. Me always early. I'm always. Early, I get to most work. Mr. Girl, me
have something to tell you.
Already? And you just come back here?
As we come the drama start, you mean? Listen.
So juice me fast.
Don't be a dirty little candy looking man.
Banana man.
The candy jelly looking one. Look like you man suffer from malnutrition. That one me.
So wrong with it?
No one do business with me. I mean.
What do you mean? So you do business?
Which business?
The business where you say what
When actually not the business.
But you're not idiot.
What do you mean?
You come here to make money. We are talking about we business. Let me tell you something. I work, you're coming on. So if you come to buy, you're selling me now. So one time we go out the road, we do different business. We talk about that out the road, but I work, you know.
You can't feel man is two different man.
Yeah?
Can't manage the type of
That's
man.
our question. Why different when time we have other man in our club and in two we are do with them? Why different?
Yeah. That's no difference. But you don't like him.
Yeah, because we have no choice.
Me not beg, he not beg me. That's the thing.
But I'm money you want. If I put on the back here and give it, nothing wrong with that. Your eyes shut.
What? What you mean?
Your eyes are totally shut.
No man, it look like so you run to your body hard.
No, I'm not running hard and hustling and hustle.
So hard.
Reach. Yeah? Talk to me nice. Anyway, I'm glad to see that you're still in the community. Somebody is not good. I got one. Then I'm like,
It don't mean my Lord come. Like him and time me. And you want me to send to you.
At least I get you something. Eh? Early bird catching most bird.
And that I choose me. So
Bartender.
nobody else now.
No, bartender. No, I'm not a bartender. I didn't see the pound one.
You're always welcome. I'm happy to see you there still. You know? No, joke.
Maybe so I can remember.
Yeah, man. But, not true you're there run off with the little boyfriend and you feel like see a thing no go over. The thing government said we. You know, your space, no girl can replace that. So, just go and go mad up your thing, you know?
Yeah,
Make some money. That is it.
Bossy, you know life is like a choice, right? But sometimes, I know you really want to pick the choice there, but you have to work with it. And as me can tell you right now, I have to just happy in back on the work.
Yeah, no must. Money come
swear.
first.
Yeah, me
Money
have to
come
happy back
first.
on the work.
Just make sure it's still before you go home tonight, you know, you see.
And me like, me you go,
Yeah, man.
go home after work. Alright, here, one thing I want to tell you, boss. No disrespect, but you have to go make it fast. Because I see your thing, you always come with this hours business and that.
I make it fast, man.
You understand? Yeah, so.
Yeah, make it fast,
I'm
man.
glad to see you, boss. You know, I'm come to take over the work again.
Yeah, man, I'm happy to
not
see you.
disappointed, right?
Correct.
Exactly.
That is it.
But you're alright.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So after work, no hours thing.
What you talk about?
Boss, you know me I talk about you always at the little hours thing when me go out, so me can't.
Yo, just make that stay or that stay, you know. Because we have to just do what we have to do. You know.
Alright, boss, see you later.
Yeah, man, take care of yourself and do right.
Yeah.
I'm like that. Bye. Can't wait to clap that one here again, you know. Yeah, man.
See a friend, man.
When you worry about things, it's when you come here, so when you talk about people, you come here to do business. You got love. I don't want to touch that.
talk to Bossy.
What mean you not talk to Bossy?
That's it.
What you mean you not talk to Bossy? I don't understand.
You just come and me and Bossy will reach. Everything does something, you know something like this style?
What kind of
I don't like this style because they ever sold Badmind against me. What you mean by what me I talk to Bossy?
I'm about against all the Bossy number. All the ones about
Me not have Bossy number. Me just a come and see Bossy, so me just stop and talk to him. What is the problem? Awa?
your Bossy no business.
My boss in no business, and if my boss in a business, that no concern you. And my front is not yours. Arguments.
So let me see my care for.
Up in your mouth.
All of
And I come like you want to spread this in
All
your
of
mouth.
them like
Let me
that.
buy all of me in my car for. I will have me and bossy attack.
Let me ask you a question.
Girl, move. What else man me for?
No, come on, no, your Bossy did like you.
Girl, relax.
Relax.
Come to work. I come to no investigation.
You come to
Relax.
work. Well, I tell you, make a phone call. This is a call that's important. You hear? Alright, sister.
I'm glad they come and stay over and something, you know?
Yeah. Remember, I'm telling you somebody that will come, so I'm gonna change my mind.
No, nothing like that. Calm down now.
We come.
Oh.
Anyway, you know, say, Pinky come back.
Yeah, friend Pinky.
Yeah, my friend.
So not good something that, man.
Which part of that good?
Hey, your friend. Look how long she know there which part you there work.
No, but she moved on with her life. She's not supposed to come back there, so.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. What happened?
What me I try to say is, I don't like how she and Bossy a move. Like,
You mean
something
you
and
don't
something
like
with
that?
she and Bossy. I don't like that.
So
And
how
she
that feel
want-
bother you? How
What I
that
mean?
bother you?
What I mean? It don't bother me, you know. But the thing is, she a going like she a favorite. Other kind of thing. And then, when Bossy fi pay me, she a get paid before we and more.
Probably she work more than you know, like overnight.
Listen. How she fit work more than me? Me reach her work before her. Me left later than her. So how she fit work more than me? Eh?
That's strange, then I don't understand. But I don't know how that affect you, though, America.
Because
Yeah, but it
understand,
seems
she
like
come
right
back-
now you're
she
trying
come
to
back
make
and
me
she-
feel say you are my brother and I think.
Huh?
I say you make me feel right now.
Listen to me, me your brother no nothing, you know. But the thing is,
Just make
pay a
sure
shot
say nothing
before.
now go on between you and him. Then you pay a shot.
No,
I know you're right pay I get.
no, when Pinky did them, I pay a shot. You can't make sure get fire for me.
You
Remember,
want
say
me
your
do that?
brother.
Listen to me, me no response to my brother woman them and him response to him work and them me only response to the box them in the club.
I would call you.
Don't worry about that. I work wise. I have somebody who have blow and bar down your road, they want to box down the tour right now.
Because of so.
That me say.
So you say, go make sure you get fire for me. And your brother, you still can't talk to him.
Listen, me have to go think about that. Me can't just make people get fire so. You
You
see
know-
what my brother problem and not my problem. You see me? What me can do, me can try something. Me go
I
try.
hear that.
You want me do something?
Yeah, do something. Not try nothing. Do it.
You know, so when you come to me, do something for you.
Exactly. Anyway, me I go go. So, me talk to you later.
Alright, man.
Just call me.
Alright, me do that.
Alright, me come.
Yeah, man, baby. I feel like right now, whole heap of things that go on. I'm not saying no, it's starving, so I was happy with so the head, they are straight, you know. You have to understand, you know, yo, man, I'm stressed out. Don't worry yourself, man. Me soon get a piece of food. I'll be calling link you. And that's why I'm link you for already, because the other two go on.
Brother,
Wait, me soon call.
brother, what? Someone can look at me, sir.
What do you want to talk to me about? Because you call me out of my house and, yo, I don't want me and you chat too long, you know, son.
Me and your brother and sister, you know, so when people see me and you, everybody know that.
Yo, listen to me, no, man. You must say you are do your type of work, them, you know. So, I don't want nobody to see me and you together and think, say, me and you, maybe I do some things together.
How
Or-
people fit think that? You know, say
Because
nasty.
me nasty, are you nasty?
Oh, me nasty. Me ever come to you and tell us someone do work today, you know, my brother.
Listen to me. You must say, you know, you're going to do what you do, you know. And people have you out in the street. And everywhere we go, you know, people are telling me, you know, right now, me can't even go to the club again, you know.
I know me stop a friend guy club.
Me can't go to the club because next thing me see you up there. So this is why I'm telling you to stop calling my phone, not deal with me. Because me can't even tell mommy say you're doing things I know. What if she find out? Eh?
Let me tell you something. Not because you have brains, you want like you're intelligent. Yes. So you see when you go to college, you know what me go through. Eh? You don't know what me go through. And this works here, me I do it because I want to build myself. So nobody feel like say me I do it because I want to do it. Me I do it because all the things me see, me I benefit good money off of right now.
So you tell me say you could have never go sell a market, you could have never go clean up somebody's yard, you could have never wash some clothes, you could have do anything else for the planet. Instead, you go dance, go. You could have sweep up somebody's yard, wash some clothes, you could have do anything else for the planet.
Aye, done. Yeah, what preacher? A church me come with a as a matter of fact, remember say I'm a little brother.
Right now you need some God.
Who need God? Let me tell you something. You done a long talking with you. Me come go about my business.
All I'm saying, change your ways.
As who?
Alright.
Who you be?
You see
So
when
you my brother?
you see when mommy find out, don't call my phone.
And you go tell him. As a matter of fact. And that me dey call if you ask about, you know. Because me say mommy and call my phone, you know. So me feel say you tell him say, you know. You see you? Let me find out.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the street,
Mommy,
just living life with no
Mommy.
apology.
Oh, that sound like America. So, wait, what ya?
Free from
What?
poverty.
I'm glad to see you coming now.
By the spiritual
Because I did want to talk to you for a long time. Watch it. The way I get nervous, I put all the wrong key in my wall. Alright. Thank God you come. Where you come, boy? Move your foot and mind this, please, yo. Come inside, man. Let me go feed you for you. Alright, there's someone want to talk to you. Come, sit down. Any one of them you want to sit down, Panny, sit down, Panny. Afraid I mosquito them, so let me drop the door. What happened to you now? So you look so? You just look one way.
I don't want to look.
Like you look stressed out.
No, it's just something that's curious for no one talking.
Okay. Hi girl, tell us something. Me I check for you? Can me come out there? How much time I look for you and I'm not seeing you? And I wonder if me and your mother and you really block me, Marika.
And I'm black here, mommy.
So me I call you and can get you. Nobody said the line them down.
I
Right,
service,
you know.
but I know service, mommy.
Then they pick up enough place. Enough place then they pick up. Service I pick up now certain place. And a heavyweight I pick up, you know, me understand. But you want to tell me say out of the million times.
Certain place.
Yes, but What you want to tell me, say, out of this certain place them when me call, you never did they say yet, and them the
Never
place
did
they always
I
there?
always see a miss call them just a pop up on my phone. Bap, 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 bap,
All
one by
right.
one.
Thank you. So when you see the missed call, even if you're not on a credit, because you always full of excuse in America, because you know me want to talk to you about. When you see missed call them, if you even on no credit, you don't see nobody on earth would really give you a little call if you ask them for your
I
call.
don't around people because I don't talk to people. I isolate myself.
Boyfriend, you're little so. You're full of excuse. You're never wrong yet.
I mean, me never rang.
Marika, you know what? Let me come on for the calling business because you don't answer my call and me affect you because I you me hear about and I you me want to talk to. But the same sickness when me always talk to you about. The little dirty style them where you have for a long time. Me don't know where you get them from, but me sure know me.
Then I will.
Not because me never get the opportunity to take care of you the way our mother should. You feel say, yeah, my mother never take care of me, so me can do anything me feel like. Until you reach the age of 25 right now, you feel like I say me can't talk to you not all again because you say, oh, me a big woman. Nobody can tap me from the way me want to say for at my front if me want to sell it this or put it this or take it up or fling it up a sky or under earth. Nobody no business. Where I think that for? Somebody tell me where
you are talking now.
me I talk because me I hear everything when me say as something where they talk a road. How my mother can't talk to me. I mean I know every time she come call me. That's why me I ignore her call. Me know. Me know say I see call them.
No sense. Why you call me for?
Because where they do not Jesus Christ.
I tell you, it not benefit you in a moment and me it a benefit you know. So me no want you come and tell me what to do. But remember say no, when time you if you send me go to school and then look at something day, you ever not happy. And me have to send myself go to school and me still never get in everything when me forget. And me still better. Do 1 and 2 work on the road and go. But me still not get the education and me forget. Me I try hustle right now to be a better person of tomorrow. And the wall alone just a come in and movie and I feel like I just want to tap me flow so. And me tell her, no, stop me food, you know.
Yeah. How will the backside is? So Marika. So when me they talk to you about the bad things them where they do with the heap of man them here and there and everywhere. Tom, Dick and John and Harry. I stop your food.
Yeah.
So because
I
me
work in a mommy. Work. I think I foolish me I do. Me have to hustle. Right now, if I want 5,000 for you, nah, give me because you go say na have it.
Liar
I
tell.
have money for do nails.
A liar
do
tell.
ear.
Me give you money enough time.
And all of them look when last I give me money.
A
You
good
spend
while
money
now.
on Javi more than you spend money on me and
Remember say I try no me have you know you alone you know. And you reach the age of 25 and me still have to support the same way. When me have it, me have it. When me have it, me have it. If I don't have it to give it to you 1 and 2 times, that I know nothing because me have the other 2 them were younger than you.
Mommy, why you right now nonsense?
I know nonsense. You have sex with too much man and me don't know if you use protection. That me I talk about.
So me all the bad apple in your family. Eh?
No, me
And
nah
me all
go-
the bad
listen,
apple.
you're my daughter. Me love you the
Okay.
same as how me love the other 2. You understand? And me no want you get this thing twisted. Don't get it wrong. You see, devil always make people think the wrong way first. Don't make it too late. Then you go say, if me did know me listen to my mother. Marika?
Me not say if me did do nothing. Me not say that.
Oh, you know you go say from where you now go say from now.
Yes.
You're pretty key.
Yes.
Okay. So you have right to a feel your body to go around and sleep with anybody. And me not no right to talk to you because you're adult now. And that you say?
Mommy, I work. I'm not telling
What
you
kind of
it's
work? We subject you go to school, go learn, even though you never get to go to all you say it. And true, me never have it. You know, look, so me never have it, you know. We subject you get the time when you send yourself to school. We subject you get for sure you say you're certified to go catch man on road. Eh?
Mommy, remember saying no? You used to get up
At
every
Techman
day and
College
say,
you
yeah,
go?
Yes.
Okay, and you have attitude.
No.
You have attitude. Because you feel say 2 years 25,
Alright.
me can't do you nothing, not true.
No, Mommy, that's
And me ashamed. And me carry you for 9 months in a disability. And me bring you come here so. Me could have drink things, you know. Because one woman when give me something for drink when time me pregnant with you, you know. Because me see the separation where we go come in front of me, you know. And me say, no, me I'll take it from her and carry on me yard. And plan say, yes, today I me they do it. Because your papa breed me. And when don't turn round and looking at me two big bulb eye, then when God give me and tell me, say, I know him breed me. How in the road? And his friend them tell him say I'm more than one man me have, so I know him, so me fi come out time place.
Oh, so you did do the same thing too?
No same thing as him one me did have. But him a follow friend. I saw some dirty man stay away as sperms do now. But guess what? God was on your side. Me never dash your way. Me bring you come, look how you're nice, look how you're pretty, but you look like I say you're pretty if you come sell your body. Wish you no good. You're 25, you're still young, you know, come off a calendar yet. You can get good, decent man out there who will take you and call you his wife and give you children. When make them get the love where you never get. And me did love you. I just told me never have you 1 million times me tell you if you get in your brain. Marika, me never have you and you know. But me try my best as a mother to support you without a daddy. Where is your daddy?
He's not here.
You have to go up on Murray show to go find out who is your daddy dead. Because since that's me when they have 1 million man to where you just ask me that foolish question. And if I never one thing, I shut your box. But through you reach certain age, me stop lick you a long time now. Me stop from beat you a long time. So me just always see and make you stay right there. So you understand me? You is the bigger one for your younger sister. Eh? So when you take up this man thing and I grow and I tell your body about a work, what you left your younger sister for do? Eh? And you have your brother out there go making things say. If you go use people girl pick me and yeah, call them up right for come sell in front too. You think? You think what me I think?
What me think when you think? When I know your brain, mommy.
A true you talk. A good thing you say. A good thing you say, the great man just give you one thump on your nose make you have sense. A good thing you say if you don't, because you follow the devil. And things say what you say right, don't. You have sense? Me tell you something. You see money we are asking for? Me will give you now.
Nobody want your money.
You nobody want it?
Nobody want it. I know you feel like you want to come give me money.
Okay.
Amanda,
Your bag full.
How this call me?
Tell the man they say you're not no talking with him right now. You're the way your mother there and you can't make no deal right now. Come, look, hey, come off of my daughter phone. Listen to me. Listen, dirty man. Come off of my daughter phone. And she not selling any more front to you. Is my daughter all when she at 2,500 million trillion years old. Me still I protect my daughter. And this, you know what? Come off of my phone, you little idiot. You have credit for waste.
I'm not on my phone.
So you go back go call him back. Here.
Oh, no man. Mommy, you know see your daughter?
Put the phone on silent. Come here talk to you and he might distract me. He might disturb me. Eh? Tell him or answer him and tell him say they talk to your mother before me take your phone and seal in a rubbish bin. Listen to me now. You see any me go back out the road again and hear them a call up and you know bar and go place and run a back road at Portmore and then sitting there all over the place. So they all other day me say the Kingston downtown in a bus park they sell front.
Sorry.
To the conductor. This dirty thinking boy where other day me give me $1,000. And he never want to give me back no change out about how much from Kingston fig go a Mandeville with him bright self. And them the dirty foot man they want to talk to. Look how you shame me as your mother.
Talk to mommy.
How you want to talk?
It's just my work.
How you work?
Yes.
So true your work, you will sleep with any dog.
No, I never seen you sleep
And if
with
you
any
lie with dog, you know where we catch your flea.
You.
Go on my yard. Come out of my yard, me say. You all turn me not idiot about me. You rank with me. Come out of my yard. You don't know say actually you reach certain age, 25. Not tell me no later. Go out, yes, go call back your dirty foot man.
Hello?
Yeah. One. Come out of my yard.
Amanda? What you mean? What wrong with Amanda? Who shot him? You come now.
I wish you talk about. I wish Amanda you talk about. Which Amanda you talk about? Eh?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yes.
Poverty, despite the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad. Some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama was never, Papa was never. There's no family that she could call. spiritual